Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here a new smartwatch. It is from HMD. This one, it is an HMD Watch P1 Smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of this wearable. We'll check its design, the specs, and its UI. So if you are interested to see this wearable, or to know more about the HMD Watch P1, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the HMD Watch P1 Smartwatch. And as you can see here, it's still in its packaging. I just want to show you the free straps that comes with our HMD Watch P1 Smartwatch. We have at least 3 straps for our smartwatch, okay, in different colors with steel buckle. Okay, so I'm very happy with my purchase here. And we have here smartwatch. Okay, let's remove it from this bubble wrap. We have the smartwatch. As you can see, we have the HMD Watch P1 Smartwatch. Okay, I guess we do have the black color. We have some details here on its features. Okay, again, when we purchase the HMD's Watch P1, we do have at least 3 free straps. Okay, aside from the straps that is already included here on the Watch P1. Okay, so let's check out the packaging first before we check out the contents. So here's the packaging. Human mobile devices. So we do have the features here. So what's in the box? We have the user manual, user guide, the charging cable, and we have the smartwatch. Okay, we do have some details here. It's a bit small. Okay, 4-day battery life, 700 active modes, and that's it. Okay, I think the box is just okay. Somewhat similar to other wearables also. Then let's remove the sticker here. Then let's check out the package contents. Still have an additional sticker here. Okay, I guess we'll just use the cutter here. Okay. And so what are the package contents? We have here the smartwatch. And seems like this strap is already attached. Okay, it is a compact smartwatch here. We have the charging cable and we have the user manual. Okay, again, for our package contents of the HMD Watch P1, we have the smartwatch, the charging cable here, pogo pin, magnetic, and we have the user manual, and of course our freebies, 3 flexible silicone strap. Nice, very good. I'm happy with the free straps here. What we have is the black color smartwatch. Okay, next Let's check out the dimension and of course the weight. Let's put this here. Okay, so for the dimension, we have the 45.4 for the length. For our width here, we have 37.7, again 37.6, okay, or 0.7. Then for the thickness, we have 11.5. So for the weight, 0. Let's remove this. So for the weight with the strap attached, we have 40.48 again. So 40.49. Okay, it's around 40 point something. Okay, I guess 48. Then let's check out the design of the wearable. Okay, so before we proceed with the design, let's go first with the specifications. Okay, for the specs, let's turn this on first. We still have power left. Seems like the battery is already depleted. Okay, let's charge it first so we can check out the screen display. Alright, so after charging the wearable, now we can check out its screen display. We have at least 16% here for the battery. Let's see if this is rotating. Okay, so we don't have a functionality for a rotating watch face. Anyway, here are the specifications. So for the specs, we have a 1.83 inch screen display. Okay, it is an IPS LCD screen. Let's pick a much lighter watch face. I guess this is the only one. Then we have a 240 by 284 pixel resolution with 550 nits brightness. And for the battery, we have 4 to 7 days of battery life in just a single charge. Available in silver and black color. Okay, I think if I read it correctly, I think there's also a rose gold version of this wearable. It has an IP67 waterproof rating, Bluetooth 5.0, and with the HMD Watch application that is available on Android and iOS. It has a plastic frame. Again, for the specifications, including our support app and compatibility, check it out here. Alright, so for the design of the smartwatch, we have a rectangular body frame. We have a single crown button here. It's not a rotary. As you can see, it's not working even for watch faces. Only power on and off. Flat body frame, flat side, plastic. We have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin, and as I have stated earlier, we have additional free straps, okay, in different colors with quick release pin also for easy replacement. Steel buckle with HMD branding here. For this one, we don't have that, okay, but we have it here for this buckle. Plastic and very light. Okay, simple minimalist design with one single power on and off button. So for the UI, on top we have the settings and options. On the bottom part we have, what's this? Okay, sports score. We have notifications on the left side. widgets on the right side, and pressing the power button we have the main menu. Okay, so that's it for our HMD Watch P1 Smartwatch. It is a sports smartwatch with a simple design and loaded with a lot of features, especially on its sports functions. And talking about these sports functions and features, we'll check it out on our next video. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.